everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell. Hey everyone, in today's video, as you see in the title, is how to clean and cook a whole turkey for the holidays or whenever you decide to cook a whole turkey. Let's get right into the video. Now you see that I have the bag cut open, and you also will need a knife to cut open the turkey so you can thoroughly clean it as you go in this process right now. And also you will be needing to get a plastic bag to put underneath the actual turkey itself as you're cleaning it, so that way you can collect everything as you see that I have that I'm showing you right now, because you will be taking everything out inside of the actual turkey itself. And there'll be more to that as you'll see throughout the video of me taking things out and really thoroughly cleaning the turkey itself. Keep that in mind. This is one of the seasonings that I'm going to be using to marinate the actual turkey itself, majority of all of it. Then I will take other seasonings to season the rest of the turkey as you see fit to do that. So it's basically your preference on how you want to season your turkey. So now I am going to thoroughly wash the turkey itself, and I'm going to have the music playing throughout the whole entire video right now. So I would not do no more talking, and if you want to follow along with me as I am washing the turkey and also going to be going inside the turkey and cleaning that inside that out as well, you can do it follow along with me. So let's get right into this section of the video of me not talking and just showing you how I'm going to be washing the turkey. Also keep in mind to thoroughly clean inside the turkey, outside turkey, because as of right now, that is a feather that came off of the turkey. Because no, we do not want that. No feathers, no nothing, no nastiness while you're eating, and you plucking off of your food while you're eating it. No, that's just nasty. So just keep in mind to thoroughly, I repeat that enough, to really get inside the wings and the turkey, get inside the turkey, outside the turkey, like really like get in it. And also make sure you get underneath the skin. I'm sure later on throughout the video how I do that. So like I said, just keep in mind to really deeply basically clean your turkey, because it will have a better results at the end of the day when you are end up cooking it, and when it comes out of the oven and it looks nice and ready to go to eat. The little red part that I'm showing you right there, that is a actual timer for the turkey. So basically this turkey is called a timer turkey. When you see a little red little part pops out of the turkey when you take it out of the oven, and basically showing you and letting you know that the turkey is done thoroughly for you to go ahead be able to eat the turkey. But I still double check the turkey inside out, because you still never know. And if you do not have a timer turkey that has a little red thing inside of it, you know that it's done. Majority of the time the turkey should be done around 4 to 5 hours, and your oven should be set to 350, but preheat it for 400 and then drop it down to 350 and put it on for 4 to 5 hours, and then you'll have a good turkey ready to go for you to eat. you get done putting your turkey onto your rotisserie pan, make sure to clean your sink thoroughly with some hot soapy water and a little bit of bleach. It will do the trick. Another tip, when you're cleaning your turkey or any meat, go ahead and get a plastic bag and a hook it up there, so when you get done cleaning everything, you can put it into this bag and throw it away. This is the finished results of me seasoning the actual turkey and also buttering it, so that way it will be moist and it keeps that, and plus also butter is good for a lot of things. And then right now, as you see, I'm going to be using some chicken broth, because even though the turkey will already have that grease, you still want extra, because you're actually going to be using the chicken broth to marinate the actual turkey, so that way the turkey won't be dry and stay dry. And basically, you'll get, when you take out the turkey from the oven after 2 to 3 hours, you take it out of the oven, you will get a marinating brush of any kind, but mostly what I use is a silicone, because it actually helps you to really thoroughly get the chicken broth or the marinating sauce onto the meat that you're trying to marinate. And then you put back in the oven, and then you'll keep repeating it until the turkey is actually done. So remember that, do marinate your turkey so it do not end up going dry, because you do not want no dry turkey, trust me. So just take the marinating brush and then dip it into the grease or the juices that is coming from the turkey inside the pan, and then you just keep putting it onto the turkey, like I said, until it's done. And then right now, as you see, I'm putting a lot of aluminum foil onto the actual turkey, so that way it all can be thoroughly cooked through the whole entire process of the 4 to 5 hours of it being cooked. So I use a lot of it. I use it, make sure you put 4 at the bottom, so basically 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side, at the bottom of it, and then basically you'll have like 4 corners, and all those will add up to each other at the top part, and then you'll add 2 more aluminum foils on top of that, the opposite side, which will be your left and your right, add it all together, and then screw it up as you see right there. And now I'm putting it in the oven, and then after that it is done. So that will be all. Super excited to be eating the turkey. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, Voluches.